I get this question all the time in the group. I get it in the pocket coaching here. And it's a good topic to cover. So I thought, hell, let's do that. So we're going to go through some quick slides here. I've only got a few, but I want you to not only watch what I'm doing with you right now, but I also want you to just realize that you can get to this 1,000 followers much quicker than you think if you just keep it real simple here. So the first thing is, what's your style going to be? If you look at what I'm doing, I'm usually like this over here. So here's the look, right? Here's the look that we're going to go for. I have where I've got the screen stacked, right? I've got me on the bottom so they can see me. You can do faceless stuff too. I'm going to show you guys how to do faceless content. I know that that's a topic, but I don't want to do faceless content. I don't mind showing my face. And then I have a slide deck like we're going through right now. And I usually have that up above, and I find that that's the best way for me to teach. So I use the same tool all the time. I use the same setup all the time. Again, this keeps it simple, and it actually allows me to get it done. It's kind of like when I go, if I decide I'm going to start working out or something, the best thing I can do is have all my stuff laid out the night before and know what I'm going to do at the gym when I get there, because then the likelihood of me doing it is much higher than if I don't do that. Then what is your teaching mechanism? How are you going to teach? You know, there's the whiteboard. I really like using that, which I feel that is pretty much the same style as this here. I always have some medium that I'm putting something on, like the medium is Keynote here, or I'm using the board or whatever. And then there's, you see me and I'm teaching and I'm using these colors. Have you noticed the color scheme is all the same? That helps. It just helps, right? It just does. You know why it does? It looks better. It's cleaner. It's easier to look. I'm just using the same colors, and it makes it look nicer than if I have a bunch of random crap, So just try to find a color you like. I like blue. I like white. I like gray. I like black. I like, so that's what I use. So what's your teaching style? Follow the same style all the time. That way you can actually get a rhythm in a row going. And then what's your free offer going to be? You need to have a free offer so that you can collect leads, plain and simple. My free offer this go round was the Christmas Cash Accelerator, how to make 7K in 20 days. That was my free offer. And then my paid offer that I had inside of that, which is where you came from because you're in the paid coaching, is the Daily Profits Pocket Coaching offer. So that was my paid offer. And inside of that paid offer and that free offer, I have my core offer, which is Build Lab. And then I've got my lower ticket paid offer, which is the Daily Pocket Coaching. And there's going to be a lot more coming because why wouldn't I, right? Why wouldn't you? So what's your look style? Okay. Keep it the same. Just find one and go with it. Okay. Find somebody else that you like their style and model it. And then how are you going to teach? Are you going to teach just talking to the camera without anything? Are you going to do faceless where they don't even see you or whatever? And then you're showing something on the screen. Are you going to do it like I do it? Are you going to, stand in front of a board? How are you going to do it? And then what's something free that you can offer that your people would want? Okay. You guys want to know how to make money using the internet? So guess what? I would probably pick an offer that shows something like that because that's what I teach. That's what we do. I'm going to get you to opt into it. It's pretty simple. If you know what somebody likes, show it to them, get them over. Let's do it, right? And then what's the paid offer? Well, what pain are you solving? Let's take it to the next level and solve it. So get this figured out. What's your style going to be? What are you going to look like? How are you going to teach? What's your free offer? What's your paid offer?